Well, this has been a long time coming. You guys know I bought my Supra probably about a year ago now, and I have yet to touch the car, so it's official, my friends. Today is the last day with my Mark IV Supra. Very sad to see this thing go, but you know what? I don't like it. Every time I get in the car, I end up getting in the wrong side because it's, for some reason, the steering wheel is on the right-hand side. It should be on the left-hand side. So with that being said, let's do one last cold start for the boys. Why am I selling this thing? I'm kidding. I'm never gonna sell this thing. But what I'm actually gonna sell is this piece of crap over here. Every time we drive the Subaru, it seems like it's gonna blow up. It kind of does blow up every time we drive it. This is Bobby's STI. It's costed me about $500 million in engine rebuilds. So with that being said, we are actually getting rid of this car. This thing is going in the dump. I'm just playing. All right, let's actually go to the shop. I'm not even gonna play with the M3. Yeah, although I ain't selling that car anytime soon. So let's just go to the shop and let me show you what I'm really selling today. Wild. Well, boys, the Type R is done. There's no need for it anymore. So today, the Type R is leaving. We just gotta get it complete, put the side skirts on, give it a nice quick bath, and she is off to her new home. You know, it's pretty crazy and wild how our very first wash of the Type R ended up being the very last wash of the Type R. This thing turned out so good. Very, very pleased and happy with how it came out with this rebuild. But you know, I just can't bring myself to own a car that makes you put your seatbelt on to disengage the e-brake. It's whack. So with that being said, it's the last time we're gonna see the Type R. Nutty. I'm so dumb, I know. I wanted to give you guys a quick heads up. Tomorrow, the 28th at 11 a.m. PST, we are relaunching and restocking the entire Boston Essentials line. If you don't know what the Essentials line is, it's all of your guys' favorite tees. And we are introducing 2 more hoodies to the Essentials line tomorrow. For a nice Cyber Monday deal, we are gonna be throwing in a free exclusive t-shirt to every single order that is over $50 until we run out of stock. We only have a handful of these in stock, so once they're gone, they're gone. Pop on the site first thing tomorrow. And like I said, we are introducing 2 more banger hoodies, which I'll show you guys in tomorrow's video to the essentials line. You really want to know what's leaving? The car I bought, and it's just a storage unit now. This POS right here, good old Evo 4. I bought the car, kind of got hosed on it, was told, I think I was told it, I don't know, I forget what he said. But basically, long story short, it has massive crank walk, needs a whole new engine. So I decided just to dump the car, and instead of using this as a storage unit, I'm just gonna put a shelf here instead and have a proper storage unit in my shop. Cool. All right. I know none of you believe me. And all of you already know exactly what car is leaving today, because you guys saw it for sale on my Instagram. And when I first got this car, everyone knew that this car was not going to stay around forever. But this car was a very, very, very fun, quick rebuild. We honestly didn't do a whole lot to this car. We did pull the motor, we did clutch. Of course, the full entire wrap, new wheels. The car is insane. The car is the perfect Evo 10. I honestly do, as of right now, like it a little bit more than the camo Evo 10. But I think combined, I have like 4 Evo 10s. Let me think. Orange Evo 10, final edition. The other blue 10, the camo 10. We got Bobby's 10. I also have Jared's, I don't have Jared's 10, but we have collectively Jared's 10. So combined in the Vossen family, we have 6 Evo 10s. Is there a point to having 6 Evo 10s? There's not, in my opinion. And I'm not joking right now, but this is actually the very, very last video you're ever gonna see with this beloved wide body, bagged, 500 something wheel horsepower with a beautiful 6266 ETS kit with DW 1100s. The list goes on and on. Varus skirts, Varus bumper, Varus rear bumper, OG orange wrap from the FRS. It's the very last time you guys are ever gonna see this car. So with that being said, I need to get this thing cleaned up today. They're flying in tonight. This car, I bought it in California, like San Francisco area, wherever the woke capital of California is. I think it's San Francisco. And it came back to Spokane. We drove it, Bobby and I drove it all the way back to Spokane. And then I sold it and it's going back to California. I think a different part of California, maybe a little bit further south, but they fly in tonight and they should be taking off tomorrow morning. A couple little things I need to do on the car. Of course, I'm gonna go through it all, make sure it's all good to go, make sure oil level's good, coolant, tire pressure, lug nut, all that stuff is good to go. He does want some different headlights on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out, and I think that's about it. So with that being said, I'm sad, because look at this car. How could you not be sad? This thing is insane, but it's leaving us. Do you guys want to just blow off your car and not have to use a towel and scratch your paint and scratch your wrap? And do you want to protect your paint? Do you want to protect your wrap? I got a good deal for you. But first, check this out. I ain't lying when I say it just blows off all the water. Let's go in the shop where it's warm so I can talk to you guys about this crazy Black Friday deal that Avalon King is going on right now for their ceramic coat. If you know what ceramic coating is, you already know, I guess. I don't need to tell you, but if you don't know, this is wax on steroids times 10. I just showed you guys Avalon King's Armor Shield 9. That is a 3+ year protectant for your car's paint and wrap. And they do also carry an Armor Shield Light, which is about, I want to say, a 6-month protection for your car. And They have a crazy sale going on right now. So let me give you guys some details and info on how to get this deal. All you have to do is head down in the description box below, click on my link for up to 50% off either the Armor Shield 9 or the Armor Shield Lite. And you're also gonna get a free gift with your order. The more money you spend, the more money you're gonna save. So the more you wanna stock up on these goodies. If you have multiple cars, I recommend stocking up right now because they ain't ever gonna have a deal like this again for a very, very long time. This stuff also does make the absolute perfect gift for the upcoming holidays for your car girlfriend or your car boyfriend, or just one of your homies that likes cars. Go check it out, link down below. Get yourself some protectant for your car and you'll be happy. Thank me later. You want to drive or you want me to drive? All right. You're probably going to think it's slow. Watch this. You're thinking it would gap it?
Oh, hell no.
Now it made like 5, I think it's like 5:15. You say you wrecked the Kia? Or what happened?
No, the transmission, it was the rear main seal. It kept leaking oil and I kept taking it to the dealership and it was a 4th time. I just did the limit low. So I won a decent amount.
Yeah.
A little over 9.
So why don't we go back to California?
It sucks out there. I want to come up here. It's so beautiful here. I'm more about the cold, the snow.
Yeah.
I hate the sun.
That's so funny. I'm the opposite, bro.
For real?
Yeah.
Why don't you move down there? Because of that reason?
Because all the bullshit down there?
Yeah.
I can't deal with all that.
God, that's sick. Look, yeah. That thing is loud.
Yeah. And it's only on pump gas, though. If you went E, bro, this thing would make 650 plus. If you want. It's only on pump, so.
I think what I want to plan on doing is within like a year or two, I want to start building the motor itself. Like actually start.
Good idea. Out of all these, yeah, Bobby's car for sure.
I would say Jared's, but it's always broken up.
The official last cold start for the boys. Well, friends, that is a wrap. Goodbye, Evo. It was nice knowing ya. Hopefully you treat him well. He came from a Kia Stinger, so this should hopefully treat him well. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, my friends, and I'll see you boys in the next video.